Hey guys, welcome back to Garage Miles and Bills. Andrew, if you don't know by now. But I just want to tell y'all, this video is a bit long, but it'll be worth it. Watch it till the end. Watch the whole thing to the end. Hey, also merch is here for winter. All right, winter only. Sweats, beanies, come get them. So enjoy the video, watch it to the end. Please drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Welcome back to another video, guys. As you can see, I'm out here with Slide Kings again. If you guys can't tell by now, not so much of a collaboration. It's we helping each other out basically, and there's more of this to come, a lot more. But today's video, we're gonna throw a KA24DE T in this 240 over here. It might get started today, it might not, but the goal is to get it in the car. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Throw y'all on hyperlapse and let y'all enjoy the action. They got music playing in there, so I don't want to copyright. Just let y'all see melding of the minds.
They're gonna run me into the... Alright. Move the battery, jump off. We got no more boards? Hang on, let me get on. The trans is gonna have to be pushed up.
Hey. Damn. They just shooting. All of them. Not even spray. Just everywhere.
Easy to fix.
All right. We got some here.
No.
You gotta go get some?
No.
Where you gonna get them from?
I was gonna look at those.
Okay. All right. Try number 2. Yep. Huh?
I heard the pressure because the pump's not running.
All right, well, nothing came out.
Look. We have fuel pressure. Okay.
You said we ain't got no pressure?
No, we do.
Oh. So we good.
Yep.
You about to fire it up?
Yep.
All right.
Just hold it open just a touch. Nope, too much.
Ready? Go.
Other way. Start it maxed out all the way to the back.
All right.
There you go. Sweet. Okay, hang on. I think I have too much fuel pressure. Yeah, it was like 100 psi.
Oh, damn.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. Ooh, almost. Ugh. Hold on. Let it sit. Let that fuel drain off.
Get it shut off the...
So turn back on the fuel pump.
I don't. We can try it, but I don't know if the injectors are pulsing or not. But yeah, since it ran like that.
All right.
See, it's. I wonder if I'm not getting enough fuel pressure now. Okay, and then also the. This one requires freaking boost, so we can't rev it
All right.
or anything, but it has to freaking boost. Fuck, it fell off me earlier. It fell off me right here.
Oh.
Damn. Yeah, I need to put clamps and shit on all this stuff, but I have to finish welding though. We need to focus our attention on charge pipes. We need to get them welded up and get them clamped in where they need to go. And then drive shaft. Finish up the little stuff. But we're there. Fuck yeah.
Hi, people.
Oh.
Another video.
Oh.
And I'm gonna let this man tell y'all how he really feels.
Bruh. So, last KA that I owned was when I first moved here. I went down to Panama City and I bought this junk ass coupe, and I had to paint it tiger stripes because the body was so bad. But the KA didn't run for shit, and so I had to run through everything and fix it all. Now, of course, it wasn't a turbo KA, but we made it a daily driver, you know, and I sold it for an SR because, you know, that's our life. Anyways, so to get this thing running and sounding good from an unknown source, like we didn't have a clue where anything came from, but for us to get it running right now from an unknown source is a super win. I'm fucking excited. You're going to bleep that, I'm sorry. But, yeah, next video.
Well, y'all heard it. Next video, we're driving it. So, appreciate y'all watching, staying with us for this whole ordeal. I know the video was long, but the end is worth it.
Like, subscribe, comment. I will.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top.